Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to install CLion on Windows. By the end of this video, you will have a fully configured IDE for C or C++ development. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser. In the search bar, type CLion, download and press enter. In here, you have to click on the first link. In here, click on accept all, then on download. In here, you have to choose your operating system, Windows, Mac OS or Linux. Here I am choosing Windows. In here, they are asking for the processor architecture. If you are using ARM, go with this setup. If not, simply go with the first setup. Now the installation has started. In here, I am going to close this because I have already downloaded it. And I am going to close this browser also. So this is the file I have already downloaded. So simply double click on it. Once you open the setup, you will see this installation wizard. Click on next. Then here they are asking for the destination folder. You can choose a different path using this browse button. If you are okay with this directory, you can simply click on next. In here, check create desktop shortcut and you must add bin folder to path. Click on add open folder as a project and click on next. Click install. Now the installation process has started. This can take several minutes based on your computer's performance. Our installation is finished now, so let's check this box. Click on finish. If you got these import settings, simply click on skip import. Now let's check whether our CLion is working properly. So let's create a new project. Simply click on this new project. In here I chose C executable. And I am going to edit the name here. I am going to say it's main and simply click on create. In this min.gw, simply click on OK because it's automatically found by the CLion. So click on OK. Here is our hello world program written on C language. Let's try to run and see whether CLion is working properly. Simply click on this green button. So here it is, our program ran successfully. So that proves our CLion installation is successful. This is the end of our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.